So hello beauties and welcome to my channel. So for today, as you know about the thumbnail, today I'm gonna create a Chinese traditional look, and like it is like quite famous and like very popular in social media nowadays, and so that's why I will create this look today. And sorry to for being so clumsy here. So first of all, yeah, I use a face wash. So it is very important to clear your skin. And then I'm going for a cleanser. So this is my like regular cleanser I use. So after that, doing some facial massage, and after that, I'm wiping out all the dust and dead cells of my skin, and make sure that you will properly clean your skin because it is very important. After that, as you can see, like, yeah, I have so much dirt on my face actually. I'm making this video after I went from outside, and then okay, so after clear the skin with the cleanser, then I'm applying a toner here for tightening the pores and gently dabbing onto it on my skin. And then I'm going for moisturizer. So I'm using Pond's Miracle light moisturizer here, as I have a combination skin, and make sure that allow time to soak the moisturizer in your skin, in your depth of the skin, because yes, and if you feel like little dryness everywhere, like if any place in your face, then yeah, you have to moisturize again your skin, and give it some time to absorb it on your skin. Yeah, so I'm again using a little moisturizer around my mouth. So I feel little dry here. After that, it is very important to moisturize your lips, so I'm using Vaseline. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, and this is all my skin prep. Okay, so now thing is color corrector. So I specifically believe that if I going for a high coverage makeup, then color correcting is okay, but for light makeup, I'm going for a HD concealer, because it will hide all the marks, as I don't have like so much dark spot or pigmentation. Yes, I have a little bit, but it will cover, I will cover it with the concealer. Okay, so before that, I'm using a primer where I have some pores, like open pores around my nose and like a little bit of forehead, and yeah, so I'm just blending over on my face, and after that I will use the concealer. Okay, so I'm taking a like neutral shade which will match my skin tone, as you can see. So I can, if I cover my all of face with that, then it will take so much time. So for this makeup, I will go with the HD concealer, and you can see the difference on the screen, like it will cover all the pigmentation, all the blackness, all everything, like, yeah, they are gone. So you just have to do, like, you just have to take a HD concealer, then you can easily do your makeup. And yeah, color correcting is also important, but if you have like so much discoloration and pigmentation, then you need a color correction. Okay, but for today's makeup, I will just use this HD concealer as a base for my face. Then I will use a foundation. I will provide a video on color correcting, like in which places you have to color correct in your skin, but I prefer that if you have a like good concealer, then you don't need any color correction. Yes, some point you need that. I will make a video for you, don't worry about it. So for today's look, I'm just blending over the concealer with a damp beauty blender. After that, I'm taking a dewy foundation which is from inside, and it has a SPF 30. So I'm using the foundation, and I'm blending the foundation on my face. Don't forget your nose areas and your neck area as well. Then I'm taking a light concealer to highlight my face. So I will not take like so much product, I will just take a very thin layer, just highlighting my main areas where I want to highlight my face. It is not like that some people says that you have like this that face, you have to conceal like this or that. So I prefer that this is not important, like just go with your face. Like as you can see my face, like when I'm highlighting these points, my face is always looks bright and clear. So it's important that like where you have to where you need to like, or where you want to give like highlight or you want to give shadows, it depends on you actually. Then I'm go for the brows. Yeah, so I'm just filling my brows with a brow gel. So some people said that I have a square face, some people says that I have a love face, like yeah, heart shaped face. Some people says like I have an oval. So it depends on like how much space you have between the nose and mouth and chin and forehead. So it depends on that. Okay, then after that I'm using a light concealer around my eyes. Actually like people have different type of face shape, but no one has like a particular face shape actually. So I will post a video on it. Okay, yeah, so for today's makeup, just yeah, I'm just blending the concealer and taking it on the like where my cheekbones goes. So I bought this product, so it has eyeshadows and highlights and blush shades and contour shades. So I love it so much. So today I will do my makeup with it. So I'm taking a very light beige shade for my eyelids, and I am also applying it underneath my eyes. Then I'm taking a peach shade and doing and blending it on the crease area, a little bit of lower eyelash line, and blending it all over on my eyes, so giving a little depth. Then I'm using another eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I'm taking a light pink eyeshadow and blending it all over my eyelids. Yeah, after blending it, I'm going for eyeliner. So I will do a little wing eyeliner today. I have a hooded eye, so I have to follow my crease line where it ends. So yeah, that's how I make a wing. So I'm applying a thinnest line on the eyelids where the eyelash goes. So yeah, my eyeliner is done here. After that I'm taking a very light peach eyeshadow and blending it on the lower lash line. And after that I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow and I'm making a Korean eye look here and giving a little depth here. Then I'm taking a white eyeshadow and put it on the eye corners. So my eye makeup is done here. Now I'm moving for the mascara. I'm using Blue Heaven mascara here and applying it gently on my eyelashes as well as on the lower lash line. After that I'm moving for the powder blush and I'm using a sugar palette. Then I'm applying contour here on the cheekbones, little bit on forehead, and so here I'm doing nose contour. As you can see, maybe I'm looking like a deer but don't worry, it will look good in the end. So after the nose contouring, as you can see, my nose looks lifted and my face is also look lifted. Now I just have to do my lips. So firstly I'm taking a very light nude lip color and gently applying it on my lips and blending it properly. Now after that I will take a light pink lip color and then I will gently apply it on the inner lip. Then I will take a very dark red lip color and putting it inside the mouth, like the lip areas. Then I am applying the nude lip color again it gives a very natural and pinkish looks for my lips. Blending it properly. So my makeup is done, and now it's time for the like highlighter and the touch. So I'm using a very light and like warm pink tone for my crease area again, and then I'm using a golden color highlighter for my for like highlighting the highlighted points of my face. Yeah, on the cheekbones, a little bit of forehead and nose bridge, chin, and the upper side of my lips. After that, it's for the final touch, so I'm using a lip gloss here from Swiss Beauty. Okay, so my makeup is like almost done here. Okay, now for the close, and I hope you will love this look. Tada! So this is my final look, traditional Chinese makeup, which is like kind of going popular nowadays. So I hope you like this look, and comment down in which look you want to see me in my next video. Tada!